Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome on back. So today, didn't plan on filming a video, but something special that I've been waiting for years, it seems like, came into the mail, so I decided why not film a video. And also, I haven't even, brought Shayla and Colourpop's collaboration on my channel yet, so I thought what better way to do it than today. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, y'all just keep on watching. My base is set, my foundation is laid, so let's play. I wasn't expecting to film a look today, but I checked in my mailbox and your girl's Louise base came in today. I can't even explain how happy I am right now. Like, I literally ordered this like end of April. Here we are knocking on June and it's just coming to my doorstep. So kind of excited. So let's play. I've heard people talk about how this is like the best base ever. So we're about to put it to work and see what happens. And I'm noticing that if you don't pat it in, you will get those brush strokes. So I'm just gonna lightly just tap everything into place so I can alleviate some of those brush strokes. Cause that is not cute. All right, so while I wait for that to kind of dry a little bit, because it is still a little tacky, I'm going to get myself together. So I'm going to be using the Perception palette, the Makeup by Shayla and Colourpop collaboration. I bought it a while ago. I've been playing with it for a couple weeks now, but I just haven't filmed a look with it. So why not today? I'm just gonna take this color Revenge and on a slim buffing brush, I'm just gonna blend that out into my crease. Then going back in with my smaller brush to get into my crevices of my inner corner. Just gonna go ahead and just work that in right here. And then next I'm just gonna be taking this color Played Out and I'm just going to add that to the outer corner of my eye. I'm going in between a dab and a swipe because there is a lot of fallout with this color, so I want to tread lightly but also want to give myself some room to give myself a gradient eye look, and I feel like this technique helps me. But do you, boo, do you. And now that I like kind of what I see, I'm just going to kind of blend this out just a little bit, make sure that it's nice and gradient and not patchy and full looking, but doesn't look like somebody tried to deck me in the eye. And then with the extra eyeshadow, I'm just gonna kind of bring it up to my eyebrow bone, just to get rid of the extra that's on my brush. This is like my holy grail. Like, I seriously, after I place eyeshadow on my eyelid, I always go back with this brush and just blend it out because it gives me a nice gradient look. It doesn't give me a patchy look and it doesn't give me like a weird vibe. So I really do like this NYX 16 brush, like multi-purpose, hands down. All right, and I think let's go with a halo eye today. I haven't done one in a while, so we're gonna see. I'm going to take, I don't even know what this brush is, but it's a smaller taper blending brush, and I'm just gonna go in with Played Out and tread very, very lightly because you can't go back if you mess it up. And one thing that I do like about this brush, any small taper blending brush, is that it gets into the crevices of my inner corner without looking patchy or shows any streaks or anything, but also it helps me because I don't always have the steadiest hand get the color that I need without going overboard. if that makes sense, because we all have seen those looks where you're like, girl, did you and your brush have a fight and your brush won? That's not cute. All right, y'all, now that I like what I see, I definitely use this brush the entire time to connect all of the dark shade around my eyelid, because listen, this brush, I really do love this brush. This one and the NYX blending brush, the all-purpose brush, holy grail, always in my makeup kit. So I'm gonna take the P. Louise base again, and I'm just going to cut my crease in the middle and see if this is about that life. The one thing that I do not like about this base is it takes forever and 10 years to dry, and I don't have that kind of patience. All right, I think we are ready. So for my shimmery shade, I think I'm gonna go in with this color, oof, Sassy. I don't know why, but I love this shimmery teal green color, so I'm about to see what it can do. So let's see. It reminds me of one of those colors in the Tarte's Pro palette. I can't put my finger on it, but it reminds me of that color. It just has a little bit more green than like the reddish brown color. But anyway, let me just do my face. And then to deepen up the intensity, I'm just gonna take some primer water and just wet my brush a little bit, and y'all know the drill. All right, I think I kind of like what I see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. We're gonna come back and we're gonna play with the rest of Shayla's collection and then figure out what else to do with my face. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I am back. I went on ahead and finished the rest of my face, did my mascara and eyeliner and all that good stuff, because I mean, I'm a creature of habit and y'all know these things don't change. So anywho, I digress. Moving right along. So Shayla has these highlighters, and one is called Booming and the other one is called Pose, and they both are fire. So I just really mix them together and I like how they look. So this is what I'm gonna do, because I mean, I'm a grown woman. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my goodness. I just this glow, man. This glow. Ooh, child, listen. And it's summer. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. I mean, it's not even a lot of glow. I mean, the one thing I love about this highlighter is that it's not too much. Like, you think that you're putting a lot on or whatever, because I mean, it is loose and it is kind of messy, but come on now, you can't tell me that's not fire at all. Okay, and then for blush, I'm just gonna take this Lychee in Gold. I've been using this for a little bit and I actually do like the color. It gives me a nice healthy rose gold glow. I mean, it definitely is true to its name. I can thank my mom for these cheekbones. I had nothing to do with this at all. Thanks, Mom. Before we move on to lips, I must say I have got to do something with my under eyes. So I'm just gonna be taking the color Played Out and dust that on my lower lash line. I know I'm using the wrong brush. Y'all don't have to be snickering as y'all watching. I know, I'm just lazy, don't feel like grabbing the right one. And then for my inner corner, I'm gonna be taking the color Spill the Tea. Baby girl spilled the tea on this collection. And I'm just gonna dab that onto my inner corner, see what happens. Ooh. Okay, Shayla. All right, Shayla. Coming for my money, Shayla. Coming for my edges, Shayla. You coming for my life, Shayla. Okay, all right. I like what I see. This is so cute. Don't tell me otherwise. If you think it's not, you're a hater. And I forgive you in advance. But yeah, moving right along to lips. Baby girl has Come On Sis. Ooh. And Quickie. And for today's look, I think I'm gonna go with, ooh, just because I love coral. Like this time of year, I am a sucker for a good pink, a good nude, and a good coral. Like, and I mean, and I like Quickie, but I would have to use a liner with that. From top to bottom, we have Come On Sis, then we have Ooh, and then we have Quickie. So I'm just gonna take Ooh and just douse my lips until I feel good about it. It's a little coral. Little coral. And I'm only doing it on like the inner parts of my lips because I don't know, because I don't have on a liner. I just don't want to sabotage the look by going overboard. But I am gonna clean it up with Baby Girl's Ultra Lip. It's in the color Neat Freak, and I must say I'm gonna have to order some more because it's gonna be gone. I absolutely love this Ultra Lip Gloss. The only thing I don't like, and I've said this about Fenty too, like we need to bring back the brush applicator because these sponges, I feel like they're not doing the job like they should. But anyways, that's my rant. I'm over it. But yeah, I'm just gonna take Neat Freak and I'm just gonna gloss away until I feel good about it. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. I hope you like it. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be like Nike and just do it. Welcome to the fam. But yeah, also make sure that you're checking with me on my other social media platforms as well. But since my face is all done up and I'm already dressed, I need to find me some plans, all right? I need to step out because I can't let this face go to waste. So that's all the time that I have. So remember, until next time, the kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember to be kind and be you.